Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear student, today we will solve the problem set 15. So look the question number first. Solve the following and write the question and reminder. Now our question is 1284 divided by 32. First, write the multiplication table of 32. 32 ones are 32 are 32 threes are 32 fours are 32 fives are. Okay student, 32 ones are 32. Right here 32. 32s are 64. 33s are 96. 32 threes are 96. 32 fours are 128. And 32 fives are 160. Write here the question. $1,284 divided by 32. Look student, first number is 1 and 1 is smallest number, is smaller than 32. So we consider 1 to 12 and 12 is smaller number of is smaller than 32. So we are consider 128. But write here 0 same as quotient. 128. So student, find the 128 32's table. 32 ones are 32, 32 twos are 64, 32 threes are 96, 32 fours are 128. 32 fours are, write here 4 and 128. Write here 128. Subtract 8 minus 8, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Now our next number is 4. 4 is right here. And 4 is smallest number, is smaller than 32. So 4 is our remainder. We will write the next number of quotient is 0. So our answer is 1284 divided by 32 is equal to 40. Now question number 2 is 5586 divided by 87. Student, first step is we will make the table 87. 87 ones are 87. 87 twos are 174. 87 threes are 251. 87 fours are 348. 87. So student, look, 55 is smaller number, is smaller than 87. So we are consider 558. 558. But before we write 0 here, 0 in quotient, and see the table 558. 558. Know any number 558? Look this. 87 6 are 522. So write the 6 in quotient. 522 right here. 522. Now we will subtract. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. We find remainder 36. Now and quotient is 6. And divided next number is 6. So write here 6. 366. 366. So student, look the table. 78 fours are 348. So write 87 fours are 87 fours are. Write here 348. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Now 1 is carry here. So this place is 5. Student, we will get the 1 carry from 6. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now remainder 18. Remainder 18 and quotient are 64. 64. Look the question number 3. Question number 3. 1207 divided by 27. So first step is make the 27 table. So 27 ones are 27. 27 twos are 54. 27 threes are 81. 27 fours are 108. 27 fives are 135. Now we start to solve this question. 12, 27 and 12. 12 is smaller than 27. So we are consider 120. 120. So look this student. 120 in table of 27. 120. 27 fours are 108. 27 fours are. So write the 4 in quotient and 108 right here. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now our next question, next number is 7. So write here 7. 127. So 27 fours are 108. 27 fours are 108. Okay. So 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So our quotient is 44 and remainder is 19.